Here I am again with beta, alpha, gamma. What are the names again?
Alpha, beta, gamma, delta.
Alpha, beta, gamma, delta.
4 letters of the Greek alphabet.
Right. Gamma's the girl. Gamma girl.
Yes,
I think this one's gamma, right?
she's sort of like blackish.
This one.
She's the smaller of the 4.
And they're so nice. They rub on everything. They look. They're just like the cats back at our house. You get the sweet kitties. I think the one that was panting, whoever went to go drink. And here comes another bad thing. Gnats. Oh, I hate them. A Trump impersonator. Well, I tell you what I would do if I was running for president. I would throw all rules out and just make Mexico the 51st state. I would. Maybe Hillary will do that. Let's hope. A new hope shall arise us or await us. Okay, to wrap this video up and make things funny, a very long time ago, folks, that I have nightmares about and dreams about and everything like that. We down the street had a neighbor. His name was Andy Chan, and he followed me around, and we had other neighbors called the Martones, and bless her heart, Nancy, and Michael, Mickey, and Laura. If you stumble along this, God bless you. Because their mother passed away from Parkinson's disease years ago. Well, anyway, Andy followed me around to their backyard, and they went on vacation. They were gone out of the house, and Andy Chan called them Matone instead of Martone, and I laughed at that. And I said, Andy, what are they called? Martone. Matone. No. Martone. So me and Andy traveled when they went out of town behind their house, and there was a big wasp flying their window and buzzing, and Andy tugs on my shirt. Alan, look, there's a bee at Mr. Matone's house. And I just fucking laughed. There's a bee at Mr. Matone's house. Matone's. Okay. Yeah, funny it was, but bless you, Mrs. Nancy Martone. And here we are again. Teddy's out cold from running around all over the place. So, just out of love, because I love him, I want to give him one little, yes, love sniffer. I cannot stand your smell on my fur. I just barely touched you. Folks, welcome to an intro show of the Lando Show Halloween edition. And I'm at the dollar store. I'm looking at all the wonderful things they got. Candy. I don't know what to get. Let's stay away from candy. Vlog. What in the world? I put this in somebody's turkey. Hair color. Kitty things. Stickies. Christmas things already. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh, Lord. Look at this. A JFK $50 milk chocolate. God. Just keep the 10. Wow, I like that. Are we doing Christmas? I can't find anything cool. Even though people can come in here and get last minute costumes, they pulled them from their shelves. Oh well. Okay, folks. I'm here to tell a funny story. Blast from the past. That's not getting done. Like again. Happy Halloween. A long time ago, my brother Wade went out and did the unthinkable. And well, his friend Eddie Weber went out and did the unthinkable, and Wade kept throwing him outside of the house, and Wade told them, do not come back to this house. And Eddie Weber, who's no longer around us because he died, I don't know what happened to him. He died in a house fire, as far as I'm concerned, because when I was working in the fire department, he got his house messed up, and it was 4 years later. My good friend Matt Morgan knew it happened to him, and well, when my brother Wade threw him and Scott outside of the house, he yelled, "Wade!" How's that feel? Happy Halloween, folks. Happy Halloween. It's pretty cool, ain't it? Well, shit. Till next time. Hi, folks. I'm sitting at a red light on a crowded lunch hour here in Thibodeau. And you know what? The media is trying to get the Democrats to win because that pipeline explosion hoax they claim that's in Alabama, it hasn't affected the gas prices here. I think it's a hoax. You know why? Because they don't show any ground coverages. They don't show, quote, the person that was killed or anything like that. They don't give an exact location of the town or where it is in Alabama. They just said it's in Alabama. There's no detail. It's not on every single news media outlet. It's just on a couple. That being NBC, who favors the Democrats because the Democrats are paying them to cover their campaign or just favor the Democrats in general. This political war is insane. I'm voting none of the above. I am, because I don't like either one, and I don't like what they're capable of doing once they get into office. It's crazy. Well. James Ellsworth. Long ago, there was a man that came into the hardware store, one of the first jobs I worked at. As he claimed, well, no, my last name is Ellsworth. Ellsworth. You spell it backwards, it'd be known as worthless. She's gonna get you. She's gonna get you, Mick. Mims doesn't put up with big boys. Bad. She doesn't want to play, and neither does Reg. Reg don't like to play. He's anti-playable, anti-social, kitty social. They just want to live an anti-social life. Psst, psst. All right, settle down now. She's gonna claw the hell out of you, Mick. come on. You gonna leave her alone, Mick? I want to go. Mick's just mad because he... Uh-oh. She's gonna claw the crap out of you, man. She has a bad temperament. Well, I try to pull out of the dollar store and look what's coming down there. That's a big load. Wow, I think it's a mud tank. Sun Element Energy or something. It's probably going down to port. Man, good luck getting that thing across that toll bridge. Holy Jesus. Oh God, if that thing breaks, I'm going to get squashed like a grape. Looks like a mud tank. Man, look at that. It's huge. God. Okay, it's holding everybody up. Alright, I'm free to go. And look at all the traffic it's holding up. There's a cane grinder. Pallets for probably to sit that thing on. Sugar cane. School bus. You can see how busy this little road gets. God dang, man. Mud truck. Another empty cane truck. And trucks, and yet they... Ugh, it's crazy. One is insane. Another sugarcane truck. Somebody with the RV, I wish I had. Look out, Nissan. And another truck. Another police. I'm gonna try to turn in here without any fuss. That's it. End of the line. And here's baby Harriet nursing, thinking the blanket's her mother. She's kneading the blanket. And she's purring. She's got a loud motor. Let me see if I find my microphone so y'all can hear. Well, oh shit. No, she bit my camera. Our phone. Now she's nursing the blanket some more.
It's because she was deprived of a mother. Nurse. 3D. You're going to be on 3D TV. There's an app you can... Well, folks, to sum all these videos up, I'm sorry I hadn't had a chance to upload them or anything like that. I've just been tied up, sidetracked, etc., etc. Happy belated Halloween. Happy belated Election Day. I'm not going to go into Election Day. What's said is said, okay? I like to distance myself from politics as much as possible because of all the crap. And happy belated Veterans Day. And probably the next videos I'll upload is that of toward Thanksgiving. Looking forward to a special treat for Thanksgiving I'll be uploading and showing y'all. In the meantime, unless something else comes up important, till next time.